Today, I'm gonna do some like basic tile set stuff. Just all these like purple and red are collision boxes, and I'm like halfway done with this, so that's what we're working on today. How far am I? It's still quite early, but it's coming along pretty well every day. I've got exciting things happening in the background with various artists that I'm extra excited about. So hopefully, I don't know, I hate to put dates on stuff, but hopefully soon I can have like a bigger announcement that details more things about the game and has a bunch of nice visuals to go with it. But as of now, I still got a bunch of like fundamental stuff that I'm having to do first. A lot of the work right now like this is a lot of like fundamental work so that future work goes quickly and efficiently. So yes, and a beta test at some point as well. That would be great. So the prologue, yeah, that'll be after the announcement. That'll be like the next like kind of big thing I'm working on, but even before that is more fundamental stuff like this. But yes, I haven't forgotten you. You're on my beta tester email list, so be on the lookout. Alright. This, I spent last night trying to figure out what I was going to do about it, and I decided to just do normal collision. I was thinking this was going to be like a variation of a wall that you could walk on and jump off of, but that was going to cause all kinds of Z ordering difficulties. So I'm just going to make it like a solid wall here that like doesn't overlap you at all, ever. So you always appear over it, you just can't. Like on this one, you'll be able to like walk behind it a little bit, and it'll overlap and give that 3D effect, but I can't really do that over here for a lot of annoying reasons. So I just needed to add a couple more purple tiles to start us off. Right. No. That's right. So yeah, this stream will probably not be super visually interesting, but it's important work, as is a lot of stuff with game dev. those pieces would go there. Actually could be a little thinner. Probably. Hey, what's up, Vale? Welcome in. Holding up well, making progress every day. How about yourself? Doing some important fundamental tileset collision stuff today. This... yeah, I'll make these their own thinner thing. Back on the grind after being sick, gotcha. Did you get sick after your surgery with something else? 'Cause that sucks. Down with the fever. Weak to it since you're still healing. Dang. The combo. Well, I hope you feel better. These are gonna be the pieces I need. Like so. Kind of ended last night, awesome. Deliver a big track, nice. It always feels good to get back on the grind after stuff like that. Get that productivity back. Yeah, Octopath has so much good music in it. Yeah, occasionally I'll find a new game to add to my playlist here. Maybe a square. So those are more pixel perfect. That will probably be fine. Let's see. Collision. Now to update my auto tiling. It's so nice, but it is a bit time consuming to set up. It takes a lot of getting used to the way it works as well. Once you set it up, it's a massive time saver, especially in this game where I'm going to have a lot of different tile sets, but I'm going to organize them in the same way so that you only have to do the auto mapping once, and then you just draw new tiles for new tile sets in the same spots, and all of the auto tiling rules will still apply. So it's quite a bit of upfront time, but massive time savings in the long run. I think I need those. I don't know if I even used those yet. I don't think I do. This is all... Yeah, it might have been. So this is kind of like jumping ahead. That's okay. There will be more work to do here with the Z ordering of the roof areas in a moment. Should get... Well, this isn't even set up to auto tile. Well, I can still test that though. Erase those. Okay, cool. I know exactly what's happening there, and it's fine. So that's cool. I want to test out. Test out all the different collision on this guy. I can put that on. I should probably do ground for it. I don't want that there. Need to update that. Maybe not. Probably should, but works. Yeah, this is all the different collisions I wanted to test. missing one there. Really? Well, I'm missing one in the bottom. That's the only one I really need. That'll go there. That'll go there. Not. I see. Go. So I just need collision on this little bit there. Very, like, specific tile. There's always the little individual tiles you don't think about until you're actually testing it. Bigger problem than I thought. Like it'll be a big deal. But like this is one complete tile. I can't just like can't just make a tile like that. Cover that up because then it removes that. You can't combine them unless you wanted to combine a different variation for wherever that could possibly connect to, however far down this chunk of wall extended. Other stuff. So an option would be to create another tile similar to this one, just a couple pixels off, and use two collision layers, and just I'll have to change the map creation code in the game to look through 2 collision layers and make boxes, but I think that will be that big of an issue. It's not something I thought I'd be doing. I'm thinking how that's going to affect my auto mapping as well. it's not a problem with that version of the wall. It's just like the edge of the map. Like a completely unwalkable area. I don't remember what that was for. Angled. Okay. There should be a copy. I don't even have a version for that. thinking of removing the floor as part of this tile. I don't think it's really needed. That way the wall can use the same bottom of the wall in any type of ground. And kind of not be limited. But that would mean I have to use more layers for the ground. Currently, I either need another ground layer or another walls layer. Right now I got just ground, which includes these little connectors. That has the bricks on the bottom. So, what's gonna be the easiest? Not even easiest, just best way to do that. I'm gonna go with 2 walls layers. Walls. These. Ground, and then walls base. It's gonna not have the bricks. like so. That in a second. That. So I need to change my auto tiling so that these on the wall's base layer instead of ground. I hope isn't going to be a problem. Might be. Connectors at the end, so maybe not. think all I need to do is just do walls. So that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Walls. That. So then, in the walls, let's see what this does. Get to see why I'm doing all of this work. So if I want walls there, all I have to do is do that. And hit a hotkey. There are my walls with collision. A little broken over here. I think it's not thick enough. Slight limitations, gotta be at least 5 high. Then there's my wall, there's my collision. Partially missing. So we should have things on their correct layers. Walls base is now working. Walls over that, and then collision over that. Great. I actually want collision 2. I wonder if it creates a layer if you don't have it, if it doesn't exist. I bet it'll give a bug. But we'll find out. No, I can just reuse that corner tile. So this would be input walls base on these new tiles. I think is always gonna be that one. Well, it's that and that. That's still in that. So this is where we're testing. Because we need overlapping different collision. I'll put collision 2. all of that really like 1 pixel off? Hmm. With those, yeah. Alright, cool. So output collision 2. Does it create a layer if it doesn't exist? Hey, nice. It does. Yeah, there's extra collision. Okay, I think that's basics. Still need these two, I guess. Perfect. Right, that's all of the collision now, and you just need to translate that to game boxes. Which is just a bunch of boring manual, basically data entry. I think this one should actually be that. I'm gonna do other stuff with that later. I put it on the overlayer. Let's see. So right now, none of the purple tiles actually add any collision boxes. The map just got that set up for red. Be adding that. I'll fix the overlap afterward. That's what we'll be adding now. Just all the actual purple collision boxes, which is in map build helper. These are for objects. I think just in the map. Yup. All this stuff. $52 and $53. What are these? Yeah. So start with where is this one used? I did have it used there. Why am I not using that at all now? Not, because that's never on the ground layer anymore. Yeah, that's useless. Input walls, output walls. For the variations within that one. Do it either way. Keep a duplicate layer or not. I think it'll make more sense to not do that. Leaves me with a gap there, but I don't want to move stuff around again, so maybe I'll fill it in later. So what's going on up here? That I just got manually deleted. That's actually right. 44 is this tile. copy the logic from... Oh. Get the vertical optimization. Don't need that part, I just need this. So this looks at all the tiles below it and combines them into one box at the same time. ID's 44. Blah blah blah. Box height. But then we do the size is 11, 20. Right, yeah. Started one, I assume. Yeah. Offset is gonna be plus 4.5. Think so. See if we have a box now. We have a box, it's not in the right spot. It's to be plus 15. There we go. There's our box. Right there as well. They have better hit detection. I'll adjust so that these sides are rendered above her as well. After I get all the boxes set up. I need to do the same thing now with this side. 46. This is gonna be plus 5.5. I believe. Everything else is pretty much the same. Yep. Looks good. Good, looks good. Next up, we got this, and this. Is 54. one single box positioned. 11 by 10. 11 and plus 14.5 and y minus 5. There's our new box. Perfect. Same for 56. Plus 5.5, y in the same spot. And 55, we're gonna do same logic as 0 without the y. Or the horizontal optimization. Width box height. Height needs to be 10. That's right. And I think that's right. Also 55. Hopefully. Hopefully. Yep. Bottom boxes now. There we go. Not walking into the wall anymore. It's good. Test these little guys. This is where this should do a new layer. I don't think we'll be that hard. Right now that extends up. It's gonna add fine. Add one more box there. We're good already, actually. All I'm doing is the layer name contains collision, so collision 2 will trigger that as well. We just be adding boxes on top of boxes. That's what I want. Collision 2, 56. Oh, it's the same. It's the thing. Same things. So it should be working, but it's not. That's true. this doesn't get reset. Just declare there, and then for every collision layer, initialize it. Why are you angry? Ugh. Yo, Cool D, thank you for the raid. Welcome in. How's it going? I don't know why I didn't get a sound for it. Strange. Just you. Oh, good. That's called kicking down a door when it's just you. It's for kicking down the door. I'm doing very exciting collision box Tileset fundamental stuff today, which I just got that working, so that's good. All these beautiful green boxes. Moving on to this guy. We want all of these are going to be little tiny boxes. That is 37. Thank you for the good luck. Much appreciated. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by. What number did I say here? 37. That's gonna be one box that's 6 by 10. Positioned off the edge. 8. 6 by 10. Yeah, that's fine. I think. Let's see if that little baby box is here now. We have a baby box, it's not in the right spot though. The Y is wrong. Where's the Y position? Y times tile size. Would be... It's like the center of the tile? That's from the top of the tile. Minus, I don't know why I flipped the Y in my head. That makes sense. So I just know like minus 15. Got some colorful emotes, cool D. Are those new? What? Glitchy Twitch emotes. Alright, are we good now? Are we good? We're good. Nice little box. And we need another one right there. It's gonna be 11 by 6. Actually, I don't need that. It's the same thing. Don't need a reference to that anymore. Eleven by 6. And then 15 and then minus 13, I think. Let's see what that looks like. It's close. Must be 14 and a half. Then 39. I mean, pretty much the same thing, just flipped on the X. So 6 by 10 instead of plus 12, we're looking at plus 8. And 11 by 6 instead of plus 14 and a half, we're gonna go plus 5. Nice. So let's move on to 38, the top of it. Copy this. And we want that box. See the tile size. Offset's gonna be that plus. Let's go to level 2. I think that's right. That over. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Should have our upper edges. Hopefully now. There was an attempt. They're just positioned wrong. Size to x divided by 2. Cool. Moving on. That one. 47. We got 49. What's the flip of it? This one. Nice. Looks good. Let's get these little corners. 79, 78. What? 29. Let's get here. So 78 is 6 by 17. Alright. And we got 15 by 7. Just gonna be 5 and 10, 7.5. 13.5, I think. We'll see. We'll see. Should be 78. Close. Is this correct or is that correct? For the height. Maybe that one actually needs to be adjusted. It does. Awesome. It's good. I'm gonna do the same thing here now. For 79. Perfect. Something, no, there's not. That's fine. That's just where these two corner rectangles are overlapping. But this one is overlapping it, but it's not. We're good. Now we just need the... It's 57, 58, 59. 7 is another 2-boxer. 11 by 17. $14.5 and then 3 plus half of 17. Maybe. Yep, looks good. Let's do for the extendy one. Copy this. 58. Actually, I want to copy this. Looks good, looks good. And I need a 59, which is this flipped on the X. It's good. Just need these little inside corners now. $69, $68. Ooh, they're just one box too. Nice. It's 68. It's 15 by 17. Awesome. That has full hit detection now. It's good. It's a little, I had to make a small exception so there's no overlap on the top part like there is with this, because that was going to cause all kinds of problems with also being able to walk on top of it. So there's also very nice collision for not being able to walk off the edge. And in the actual tile set, it's just kind of like a temporary thing getting set up. The art will be more obvious to show that you cannot jump off the edge. So there'll be like spikes or something. Because you can jump off cliffs and other types of tile sets. Why is there no line? That's looking good. That's some progress. Made those walkable ledges normal collision, and then next on my list, let's update the sides of the dark walls to be on an overlayer. And that is to solve the little annoying detail of this, a weapon showing above that, or even parts of her body. A little better to show under it. So I think all I need to do really is to change the layer somewhere in my auto tiling setup. Oops, like that. ugly offset plus. So right now it's doing good. Whoa. Nothing there. Wasn't saved. Didn't matter. Finding wall space for those. That one. Skip some. Still. It's right there, yeah. Should be fine. Okay. Down there. Variation still. Look at this break. What did I change? Input wall base. Why did I not even have collision on it? I haven't tested that yet. That's fine. That makes sense. Do that now, though. So. Why are all of these not showing up? I wonder if empty regions are messing it up. Nope. There's so little to go by with this. It's just working fine earlier. There's no collision. Balls. Base. Why is it so straightforward? It's so straightforward. Input walls. Output collision. Hey, Genotropic. I like the music curation. Hope I'm doing well. Thank you. It's the music curation was a kind of big project to slowly gather a bunch of files in a way that I can play them on stream. But yeah, it's mostly just a bunch of RPGs that I've played and enjoyed the music in. But yeah, specifically picking like the most nice to work to songs. I don't know why this is not working. It was just working earlier. It was just working. I don't know why all of this is broken now. Don't understand. There's so many little things broken now. over isn't even working either. What? What the variations? Problem? Adjusting my rules file to try to narrow it down. Oh, okay, I see what I did. Just there. Why? Having this problem though. It's like adding a new... What broke it? Adding another collision layer? Oh. Adding the wall's base? That... only doing collision on wall's base and not walls now. Just checked it. Walls right here. Is having extra regions mess with it? No, got two things working. No collision layer. Wall's base though. It's like a caching problem or something. None of this is making sense. I hate this so much. It's so stupid. None of this makes sense. Collision. Putting that tile. This tile. On maybe these? This is the same tile though. I would have put it on that one too. Just the top two. Still doing something with wall's base. No, I can just delete it entirely. There we go. I just did that earlier. Did I not? Is it a combination of that and regions? I think it's the multiple input layers that are messing with it. Let's split them up then. Get rid of that. We got square walls collision, which is just input walls, and we'll have square walls collision base, which is just the base. Need to add all the regions. Multiple outputs with no problem. Don't need that there. Here. Don't actually need that. Add that to my rules file. There we go. Over's not working. At least collision is working though. Over is working, just also on walls. I think is fine. So that's easy to fix. Kind of weird to put the over in with the collision. Might make sense to put it in its own file, but it's fine for now. And there'll just be a duplicate of this strip being on walls, which you can walk on, but you won't be able to tell because there's also an over layer. Yeah, that looks good. I even put the blackness on overlayer as well. I need to move the edges to overlay now. I will do it on this on its own layer. So that looks a lot better. Partially there. So let's copy this. Duplicate it. Make the square walls over rule. Rule file. Get rid of it over here. Being simple. Not doing collision. Wall part. This is the big wall. Say this one and this one. Put on the overlayer. more stuff on the overlayer now. See how that looks in game. So this one's kind of its own thing. That looks much better. So the only like tiny quirk is like right here is the transition from over to under. But I believe that's how a lot of games do it. Most people are never gonna even notice. So that looks way better. Collision in. Auto tiling's finally working. Taking like 30 minutes to find that bug took it out of me though. This side's just not updated because it's not part of the auto tiling. Not a problem. So yeah, that'll be it for today. That was a bunch of the important stuff though. So yeah, thanks for hanging out everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.